We have a StichFix box. Shoes. So stay tuned and we'll dive into this. I was afraid this box was going to be dangerous, and I think I'm right because everything is so lovely. So right now I have on the dress and the shoes that she sent. With this dress, I'm just a little afraid. Like, I hate to pin, but I'm wondering, like, if I wore a red bra, that might be good because then it wouldn't be so obvious. It doesn't really gap all the time, but I'm afraid it might some. These sleeves are wonderful, so flattering. I love this style of sleeves. And the color, we know that red is trending spring and summer. It's so bright and colorful. Beautiful dress. And I think I could wear it dancing. It would not twirl and be revealing. So I believe I could wear it dancing. Love the shoes. She sent me a size 9 because before, I'm usually an 8.5, but the ones she sent me last time were just a little tight when they were 8.5. So she sent these in 9. So I was grateful for that. Cassandra is the one who styled me, and she says that she's learning my style, and I think she is, which could be dangerous. All right, she shows this dress. So it's the Elisse knit Surplice dress, and she shows it styled like this. And then the shoes are Lorryann rope knotted wedge. And let's talk about pricing. So for the dress, it's a medium, and it's Hawthorn. 41 Hawthorn is the brand. $54. And then the shoes are Maya Lorryann rope knotted wedge in navy, size 9, $69. So let's get to the next item because I think these are all winners. Love this skirt. How adorable. I paired it with a top that I got from a JB Style box. And I really haven't found anything to wear this top with yet. And I think they look great together. What do you think? She paired it with something light, with a white top, and I really think this works. This is a perfect length skirt. It's not too short, not too long, just really fun for the summer. And I'm already falling in love with everything that I've tried on so far. But anyway, adorable skirt. Now, I don't think I could dance in this because I wouldn't be able to twirl in this one. But the dress I could. That's okay. There's plenty of places to wear this skirt. Let's talk about it. So the skirt is, let me show you how she has it paired. Smocked waist above knee skirt, market and spruce. So you could dress it down with sneakers or dress it up with these shoes that I have on. And this skirt is smocked waist above knee indigo, size large. Size large, $59. I will tell you, I am just started a weight loss journey. I've been trying to do more dancing and really trying to watch the carbs and everything. But I think with what I got in this box, I think they would still fit even once I lose the weight because I'm not going to lose a ton, but then I think these things would still fit. Hopefully. That's the problem with purchasing things right now. Plus, I'm doing the rental thing. But we'll see. I'm falling in love with all this stuff. We have more things to try on. Let's go. Well, as much as I was hoping this was going to be a 5 for 5, I don't think it is. I'm not loving this set. I think I don't want it too short, but I think it might be a little bit too long. I'm just not excited about this skirt, and the top I'm not really excited about either. I love the feel of it. It's so soft, but I don't think that it's going to be a 5 for 5. And I was so hoping it would be so I could get 25% off because the total for all of this, listen to this. If I would have loved all 5, the total for the whole box would have been $208.75. I mean, nice pieces for that amount of money, but I don't think I want these two. Let me show you the shoes up close. These are the Maya wedges. Aren't they beautiful? I think I need these. I think these are a yes. They're great. They fit great. They're easy to walk around in. They'll go with everything. I mean, won't they? They'll go with just about everything. And I think we talked about those. We did. They're $69. So let's talk about the sweater. So this is a Serin Oceana short sleeve sweater in black. It's a medium, $45. And let me show you how she has it paired with some bright colors. That would look nice. And then the skirt, it's just black, Tatianna, knee-length, classic, and then it cuts off. Anyway, it's the jean skirt in navy, size large, $78. So I think that I will probably get, like I said, I was hoping it was a 5 for 5. I'll probably get the dress and the other skirt and probably the shoes. So I'll be getting probably 3 items out of this box. Let me know what you thought of this box. Thanks.